Good morning. We are in the fifth week in English. Our lesson is all about long A, E, I, O, and U sounds from pages 26 to 29. Let's begin. In reading, understanding how to read words is necessary. In the first quarter, you studied the short vowel sounds using the consonant-vowel-consonant or CVC pattern. In this quarter, you will study the long vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds refer to the pronunciation of vowel sounds, which is the same as letter names as in A, E, I, O, U. The ways the letter names of the vowels are above are pronounced are known as the long vowel sounds. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to read words with long A, I, O, and U sounds ending in E, and read phrases, sentences, stories, and poems consisting of long A, E, I, O, and U sounds. Let's read the examples below. Cake, bee, bike, nose, cube, lake, tree, kite, home, and tube. The words above are examples of words with long vowel sounds that end in E. Your long vowels, considering that the vowel sounds of each word are read similar to how the letter names of the vowel are read. For our first activity, match the pictures in column A with their appropriate names in column B. Write the letters of your answers in your notebook or paper. Let's look at the 5 pictures. And then the choices are A, note, B, 3, C, D, hide, and E, plate. Long vowel sounds refer to the pronunciation of sounds of vowels, which is the same as their letter names. Remember when we read the letters such as A, E, I, O, and U, so the same sound we can pronounce for the long vowel sounds. Let's start with long A. We have Kate, mate, fate, sake, and fame. Long E, free, knee, see, meet, keep. Long I, bite, sight, dike, life, 9. Long O, hope, code, road, pole, slope. And long U, use, huge, cute, cue, and fuse. Read the words below, then identify the long vowel sound A, E, I, O, U in each word. Write your answers in your notebook or paper. So that's for task 2. Example, need. So what sound do we hear? So we can hear the long E. So we can write E. So for number 1 is mute. Number 2 is heal. 3 is sake. 4 is time. 5 is cure. 6 is bake. 7, boat. 8, meal. 9, joke. And 10, mine. And for the last activity, complete the sentence by selecting answers from the choices below. We only have names and vowel. So long blank sounds refer to pronunciation of sounds of vowels, which is the same as their letter blank. So I hope you learned something today about long vowel sounds. Thank you very much. See you again next time. Bye.